The best revenge is success. You've been through a lot. You've been through a lot of tower moments, which at some stages of these moments, you may have felt like they were going to destroy you and you will never recover from them. And some people were happy to see you in this down state, is what I'm hearing, unfortunately. Because some people felt like you were being humbled by the universe. It was your turn now. Some of these individuals had a means to help. Some of these individuals just didn't care. They just wanted to be on top. They didn't care that you were suffering. They didn't even ask to check in on you. You were dealing with very selfish individuals, and you may have felt alone. And you may have vowed to yourself that you'll get yourself out of this rut. And some of you didn't have anyone to lean upon. And that's when you grew stronger. You had no choice but to be stronger. And some of you, majority of all of you, leaned more nearer to spirit. And spirit was your guiding force. And spirit was saying, do not give up. I'm right here. You've got things to do. And you worked hard to overcome all the obstacles that were in your way. And what was even harder was knowing that there were people willing for your demise. The spirit is saying, if you're going through this right now, you need to dig deep. Because just at the point where you feel like you're going to give up, that is when you're supposed to dig harder, try harder, and not give up on yourself. Because you giving up on yourself is not an option. You giving up on yourself is making these people win. Now, you're going to overcome this thing, whatever this thing is. You're going to overcome it. You're going to fight through it. And these individuals have witnessed or will witness that you are a force to be reckoned with. Is that all you got? Because you know that some of these people want you to fail. And if you give up on yourself, you're playing right into their hands. And I know it's not about them. Exactly, it's not about them. It's about you. You are not a failure. You are a winner. You are destined for success in this lifetime. You will achieve everything you have set your mind to because it's in your birthright. Nothing or no one is going to hinder, hijack, or barricade your path. If they try to, find another way. You are a leader. You are a pioneer. Just as much as these individuals, whoever they are, want you to fail, there are other people who look up to you. You are an inspiration. You are showing people that no matter what you have gone through, you can still achieve the unachievable. And that's the thing. You're going to achieve the unachievable in these individuals' view. How did you do it? Because let's be real, half of these people could not even cope with what you've been through. And it's not about going toe to toe with these individuals. No. The best revenge is success, and you are going to be so successful. Some of you are going to own your own business. You're going to get that dream home that you've always dreamed about. You're going to be financially abundant. because the universe is going to pay you back what you gave out. And if these people have been behind the scenes adding to your stress, willing for your demise, then just as much as the universe is going to pay you back in kind, they will get paid back in kind too. Because whatever you put out, you get back. And that's why Spirit is also saying, don't match these people's energy, because you're not even an energetic match. Pour into the things that matter. Pour into yourself, your emotional, your mental, your overall well-being. Focus on what's important, your growth, your hobbies. If you want to travel, travel. If you need to save money to travel, save money. If you need to get another job, get another job. If you want to start that side hustle, start that side hustle. Shift your focus onto you, because you are going to expand in this world. You are destined for success in this lifetime. We've got the Wheel of Fortune. You are very abundant. So it's only right that Spirit grants you back the abundance that you desire and that you deserve. I feel some of you are going to really see a massive improvement in your health, your emotional health, your mental health, your physical health. You'll feel more rejuvenated, more energized. You'll be taking care of yourself. And this wasn't part of the plan, because these people wanted you to be destitute. Remember, you're coming out of this Saturn in Pisces cycle, and it may have been a rough one for you, but you're coming out with lessons, with a glow up, with a change of perspective, with more determination, with grit, willpower, confidence, sassiness. It's your time to shine. So don't waste your time in trying to get even. Go towards your blessings, my darling. Go towards your successes. They're waiting for you. That's the best revenge. Because these individuals wanted you to give up on yourself, because they have. You've got things to do with the Eight of Pentacles. Invest in yourself. Quantum leap and jump away from these people. You're on another timeline, or you will be in another timeline. You have nothing in common. Alchemize whatever they projected onto you and turn your pain into power, because you're powerful. You have many ideas, you have many goals, projects that you want to bring into the physical. The time is now. What are you waiting for? Look at you. You're beautiful. You're abundant. You exude love. These individuals wanted you to give up on yourself. They didn't want you to look this good. They're going to be shocked when they see your glow up. And they're going to want to unsee it. But they're going to hear about or see that all your blessings have been fulfilled. The blessings that they didn't want you to believe that you can get. That's why they were so happy when things weren't working out for you. They thought, aha, this is my time to rise. They're never going to get their blessings, because sometimes some people can see your power before you even see it. And when they see that you have hit a down spell, it makes them feel good. It makes them feel like you're never going to achieve what they can even see for you. No more hiding. It's time to come out. For some of you, of these individual shadows, continue to do the inner work. If you need to see a therapist, see a therapist. Continue to Do your shadow work. Yes, it's going to be uncomfortable. Look at your patterns, look at your triggers, heal from your traumas, find ways to nurture yourself, because you're going through a transformation. And these people are going to be shocked, because all the schemes and plots and plans and manipulation that they conjured up and tried to throw your way, they're going to feel like you must be of magic, because you are. You're going to be straight chilling with your girls, with your guys. They're going to be thinking, how come they're laughing and joking like that? How come they look good? How come they're glowing? After everything that I done, after what they've been through, how come they're happy? Because you are a child of spirit, or God, or whoever you believe in. God ain't giving up on you, and you are not giving up on you too. They're going to witness that people love being in your company. They're going to hear people telling you how amazing you look, how well you're doing. They're going to hear people laughing and joking with you, and they're going to see it for themselves. They're going to see that people are celebrating you, celebrating your projects, you celebrating you working on multiple projects, you just staying focused with yourself, and it's going to drive these people absolutely bonkers if it's not driving them bonkers already. All the tower moments and blockages and burdens that they wanted to place in your life is going to be placed in theirs. And they're going to feel trapped and restricted, not knowing how to come out of this cycle that they wanted for you. So you don't need to do nothing. All Spirit wants you to do, or I want you to do, is just go towards your purpose. Because the best revenge, my darling, is not to go toe to toe with who wants you to fail. It's success.